Okay. While maintaining the margin?
Sorry, can you come again?
Sorry to interrupt, Mr. Kashish. Your audio is not clear. May we request you to use your handset, please?
Yes. Hello. Am I audible now?
Yes, please.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I was just asking, with 500 crores of revenue will be, what kind of margins are we looking at that time? EBITDA margins.
It'll be almost the same. You can say around 22 to 24%.
Okay. And my last question was on the asset monetization side. Any plans to monetize, and what is the approximate valuation of the asset?
You're talking about
The B1D1?
B1D. Yeah, we are working on that, and hopefully some solution we are expecting in this year. And if that happens, then hopefully we'll be able to monetize either this year or maximum by next year.
Okay. And what is the valuation approximately currently we're looking at?
Around 50 crores.
50 crores. Okay. That's it. Thank you from my side.
Okay.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Keval from DSP Investment Managers. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks for taking my question. So first is, how is the capex panning out in Mumbai? Has the construction of the building started, and by when should the production start?
Okay. So we have started the building construction. The first floor slab is almost done. By this month end is our target that we'll be completing the first floor slab. And we foresee that with this schedule, May 25 is the validation being planned.
All right. So we see production starting from May 25, right?
May 25 validation, after that another 3 months.
All right. And is this whole project in phases, like in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, it will pan out, or it's one go whole production which will start?
Yeah, it's in phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Correct.
Got it. I've got one more question. So this is related to Africa business. So if Bhavan Bhai or Mukund Bhai can help me with this. So I just want to understand that if you can throw some light on the whole Africa market, what are the opportunities over there? Also, since we've got a big facility in Ethiopia, so how that facility not only caters to Ethiopia, but do we see an opportunity in the remaining Africa market as well? So demand supply situation.
Okay. Pushpa, I will answer. Pushpa.
Yes, sir. Please.
I will answer.
Yes, sir, please.
Regarding this Africa business, there are only few players. I mean, in French Africa, only 2 or 3 players are there. 1 minute. किधर जा रहे हैं यार? So there are only 2-3 players, and we are on the top list of whole French Africa market. So our many of our products are carrying number 1. Regarding Ethiopia, we haven't started yet to export to any other country. As there was an exchange class, now it has been settled. So we will be looking first to internal market, and then after export market. We have a capacity to export, and the institution has been lined up our facility. Okay.
Sir, your voice is breaking, I guess.
Sorry, I'll just say, as you said that we wish to export from the Ethiopian market. So, as you are aware that there was a forex issue pertaining to Ethiopia, which has been getting resolved with the government order that we are getting. So, we have already filed in the neighboring countries like Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda and all. So hopefully 25 we'll be able to see some exports from there. But at present, we wish to cater to the government order, so that the point is, the faster we give them, we are expecting the similar kind of orders every 6 months, you know. So right now the whole focus is to ensure that the order that is being received by us, we fulfill and we move forward. Thank you.
Understood, Bhavan bhai. And sir, one more question. So how does the margins pan out in the Ethiopia business? So is this like north of 20 to 25% EBITDA margins in this market?
Yeah, very much. What you're saying is correct.
Understood. So I believe that if we've got currency supply, then demand is not an issue and margins are not an issue. So I think we are good to go, right, for the next 2 to 3 years now. We've seen green shoots.
Yeah, exactly. Next 2-3, I guess another 5 years till any new facility comes, because see, we are the only approved facility of cephalosporin in all of Ethiopia. So whenever we quote, we are in the L1.
Got it. And how does the working capital pan out in the Africa business? Debtor, inventory, receivable, payables together?
How will the
working capital pan out? How many days of working capital in the Ethiopia business?
Ethiopia, the government business?
Yeah. Government and private, both, if you can help with.
Yeah, so both are advance. So government is around 30% advance, and balance you receive after 7 days of delivery, and even private is on advance basis.
Understood, sir. So that's also not a challenge, right? Working capital over there.
Very much. Not a challenge.
Yes. And last question on the land monetization. So a previous participant asked this question. I just wanted to understand what is the total value of that land parcel? What is the size of that land parcel? And how much is Kilitch's stake in that land parcel?
The current value is around 50 crore, and we have around 40 or 45% of that land parcel.
So 50 crores is historical value, right? Not the fair value.
It must be around 2 years back value, I think so. So we've not done after that. So if required, we'll come back to you all with the fair value at present.
Sir, can you help me, if possible, with the total square feet of land parcel which we have over there?
Fine. I'll get the details and send it across to you.
All right. That's helpful. Thanks. That was from my
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. On this land parcel, it is 18.67 acres total.
Got it, sir. Exactly. So, Mukund, I am sure that the value would be higher than 50 crores, right, if it's 18.67 acres.
But, we are not in a mood to sell it off or something like that as of the day. So there is no question of value, because nearby project is selling at 9,000 or 10,000 rupees per square feet, So there is a huge value.
Right, sir. Right. Understood. Helpful. Thanks.
Thank you. A reminder to all participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question is from the line of Yashwanti from Cogent Finvest. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you once again for the opportunity. I just wanted to understand the development of our Khopoli plant. We are investing around 100 crores. So where are we currently? And what capacity it would have post completion of the project?
Sorry, ma'am, but what was the first question? Khopoli project?
We are developing a plant at Khopoli. So at what stage it has reached and when we can commence the operation? And once it is developed, what is its capacity?
Okay, I just answered to the previous person. Right now, this month we'll be completing the first floor slab, and we foresee that May 25 we'll start with the validation. And this is the first part of the question. What was the second question?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. When it will be completed and what is the capacity? What is the capacity of the production over here?
Yeah, so we'll be starting May 25 is the validation. So oral tablets we'll be producing almost 260 million. Liquid injectable vials will be producing 31 million. Liquid injectable ampules will be producing around 47 million. This is the planning for currently.
Okay. So have you talked to any of our clients, or there may be a new client where supply from this new facility will be initiated in 2025?
Very much, ma'am. Very much. That's keeping that in mind, the facility has been designed and thought of, and that is how we went for an expansion.
Okay. They will be the existing client or the new clients?
Both, ma'am. Both. Because there is a dearth of facilities near Mumbai, and usually these big guys or the companies with whom we are working, they require facilities near to Mumbai because they have a lot of requirements of QA audit and, they want the logistics persons to be there and all that, The most of the businesses right now is happening in Himachal and Uttaranchal, So most of the companies, they wish to be near to Mumbai. So that is how it's going to add to our advantage of having something near to Mumbai.
Okay. And so my last question is, like you told that you were expecting around 20 to 25% growth in FY25 over FY24. So how much you expect the same to be contributed from this new plant?
How much sales do you want to contribute it from?
New plant, that is a Khopoli plant.
Next year, no. This year, so nahi hai na. I said May 25 is the validation.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I got them.
No.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last question for today. As there are no further questions from the participants, I now hand the conference over to Mr. Jainam Savna from Kirin Advisors for closing comments.
Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Kilitch Drug India Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. So once again, thank you for joining the conference.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, that concludes this
Let's do all the best.
Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.